Ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Let's embark on an interstellar journey to explore these enigmatic entities of the cosmos. Black holes are regions in space where gravity pulls so powerfully that nothing can escape its grip. Not even the fastest thing in the universe, light. These cosmic behemoths are born from the remnants of massive stars. When such a star has burned out the last of its fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, and in a supernova explosion, it casts off its outer layers, leaving behind a black hole. Their invisibility makes them all the more mysterious and fascinating. You see, they're called black holes because they absorb all light that hits them, rendering them perfectly black. These invisible yet incredibly powerful phenomena continue to captivate scientists and stargazers alike. They challenge our understanding of physics, space, and time. Black holes, though invisible, are some of the most powerful and intriguing phenomena in our universe. So what exactly happens inside these enigmatic black holes? Well, imagine venturing into a realm where the ordinary laws of physics lose their grip and the extraordinary takes hold. This is the event horizon, a boundary marking the point of no return. Cross this line and you're inexorably drawn towards the heart of the black hole. Now, at the very core of a black hole is a place where the rules of space and time as we understand them completely collapse. This is what we call the singularity, a point where space-time curves infinitely, and the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what happens if you actually enter a black hole? Well, according to theories, you'd be stretched into a long, thin strand, a process scientists lovingly term spaghettification. Quite a positive spin to our space exploration, don't you think? But what do these mysterious black holes mean for us and our universe, you may wonder? Well, black holes are not just fascinating celestial objects, they also significantly influence the galaxies they inhabit, including our very own Milky Way. These cosmic behemoths have the power to warp the fabric of space-time itself. This warping effect can create gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space that travel across the universe at the speed of light. But that's not all. Black holes can also act as celestial nurseries, giving birth to new stars. Yes, you heard it right. The intense gravitational pull of black holes can draw in gas and dust, compressing them to form new stars. So, while black holes are infamous for their destructive nature, gobbling up anything that ventures too close, they also play a pivotal role in the grand cosmic ballet, contributing to the cycle of life and death of stars. Even though black holes are notorious for devouring everything that comes near them, they also play a crucial role in the cosmos, contributing to the cycle of life and death of stars. Black holes, the cosmic monsters, continue to baffle and inspire us. They are the remnants of massive stars whose gravity is so extreme that not even light can escape its clutches. Imagine that. A force so strong that the fastest thing in the universe can't outrun it. Black holes are not just empty space, they have a structure. The event horizon, that point of no return, and the singularity, the core where all its mass is concentrated. These fascinating features of black holes make them not just objects of curiosity, but also key players in the grand scheme of our universe. They shape galaxies, influence the birth of stars, and might even hold clues to the very fabric of reality itself. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of the universe and want to explore more, do not forget to subscribe. Remember, in the world of science, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.